welcome to the Love is Healing YouTube channel. Here on this channel, we have multiple visions, I would say, for the channel. One is to support people in their trauma outcome process, so in any trauma healing that they have, that they want to do, to help support identifying and addressing any self-limiting beliefs, and also to bring people together. So, like, in situations where people have polar opposite views and things like that, this channel really hopes to address some things in a really respectful, open manner. And so, if that's something that you're looking for, please feel free to check us out. We specialize in treating complex trauma through psychotherapy or mental health in general, and also shamanic Reiki healing. So we have a pretty eclectic approach, a really knowledgeable team, and yeah, we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.